Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom returns and exchanges policy page for your Shopify store. This is a very important page because customers want to know what happens if they buy something and need to return it, change it, or exchange it for another item. If your store does not explain this clearly, customers may feel unsure before they order. So in this tutorial, we are going to make a simple page that explains your return rules, your exchange rules, your refund rules, and how customers can contact you. Shopify lets you create pages from online store pages, and those pages can be used for store information like this. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin. First, go to your Shopify admin and log into your store. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the left side menu. This is where you can manage your store, products, orders, pages, and store settings. For this tutorial, we are not going to edit products or orders. We are going to create a new page that customers can open from your online store. Shopify pages are useful for information that customers need to read often, like contact pages, about pages, and policy pages. Step 2. Go to Online Store, then Pages. Now on the left side, click Online Store. After that, click Pages. This is the area where you can create new pages for your website. You may already see pages here like About Us, Contact Us, or other store pages. To make your returns and exchanges policy, click Add Page. Shopify's page setup lets you add a title, add the main page text, choose if the page is visible, and then save it. Step 3. Add the page title. In the title box, type something simple like Returns and Exchanges Policy. You can also use a shorter title like Returns and Exchanges. Keep the title clear so customers understand what the page is about right away. Do not make the title too confusing. A simple title works best because customers may look for this page before buying, after buying, or when they have a problem with an order. Shopify also says your page title can show in browser tabs and search results, so it is better to keep it clear. Step 4. Start with a short welcome message. Now go to the content box and start writing your policy. You can begin with a short message like this. We want you to be happy with your order. Please read our returns and exchanges policy below before sending any item back to us. This first part should be friendly and easy to understand. The goal is not to make the customer feel confused. The goal is to explain what they can do, what they cannot do, and how they can contact you if they need help. You can also add your return window. This means how many days customers have to request a return after they receive their order. For example, you can write, "You can request a return within 30 days after receiving your order." You can choose the number of days that works for your store. Some stores use 7 days, some use 14 days, and some use 30 days. The most important thing is to make it clear, because customers need to know the deadline before they return an item. And that's how you create a custom returns and exchanges policy page for your Shopify store. Now your customers can easily understand how returns, exchanges, shipping, and refunds work in your store. This makes your store look more clear, more organized, and easier to trust. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.